Good morning, everyone. How are we doing? This is our 12th VeeamON, but this is the very first one in New York City. It took us a long time to get here, and we are super excited about it. Now, every legacy security model was designed on one principle, that the actor was human, and that assumption just fundamentally broke instantly. So today, for the first time, we are going to show you what we have built to deliver data and AI trust at enterprise scale. And this is the industry's first data and AI trust layer.